Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Alisa and today we're going to be making Belgian waffles. So first we need 178 grams of plain flour. Add 50 grams sugar and add 50 grams sugar. After that, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 3 teaspoons of salt. I've mixed them together just because I don't have enough space for it all to go into. Special helper coming up! So you're going to mix it using a whisk. Come on. You love mixing, don't you? She's my little sister, Alisa, by the way. She's wonderful. Look, you mix like this. Like this. Come on.
Chicken wings, chicken
Please, not now. Mix. Okay, so set the dry ingredients to the side. Take out a bowl. Add 480 milliliters milk. 113 grams melted butter, 2 medium eggs in a separate bowl. Now I'm going to use a different whisk. So add the eggs into your wet mixture of milk and milk and butter. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Is 1. And this is 2. Oh, that was a big bubble. So I put the whisk in dry ingredients bowl. Now pour your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Please subscribe and like our channel down below. Okay, so we're carrying on with the video of Belgian waffles. So we're going to make some chocolate sauce to go with your waffles. So first, take 200 grams milk chocolate callets and 200 milliliters cream. So pour the cream into our milk chocolate. Stir with a whisk. So I'm carrying on whisking it all together and I'm waiting for it to fully melt. Make sure there's no lumps of chocolate still in there.